Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to increase your memory limit on your WordPress site. So for example, if you are getting errors that you're unable to upload a file or your website's running a little bit slow, I mean there's a lot of reasons why you want to increase the memory of your WordPress site. I know, like for example, if you're using the WooCommerce, the shopping plugin, they actually want you to increase the memory for the plugin to run properly. So let's just dive right into this. This is a new website that I just installed WordPress. And if you want to watch videos on how to install WordPress, make sure you check my other videos. And alright, so once you log into your WordPress site, the way you could tell that you have a low memory, the easiest way of doing this is hover your mouse over the media and click add new. And as you can see here, your upload is 32. Okay, so that's very low, and if you have a large image, it will give you an error message saying that the file is too big and you cannot upload. So here's what you got to do. Log into your Godaddy account or your hosting provider, and this is my cPanel. Okay, so once you log in, you're in your cPanel, and from here all you want to click on is File Manager. Okay, and again, I did other videos on showing you how to install WordPress and change the IP address and a lot more, so hope you're familiar with this. So again, all I did was click File Manager from my cPanel from Godaddy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my public HTML folder. Here's where most of your websites will be at, and the website we're going to increase the memory on is this one. Okay, it's called the Pure Essence skinclinic.com. And what you want to do is, once you're here, is click on the settings on the right hand side. Here, if you look up here on the top right, click settings and make sure you hit this show hidden files, the dot files, because normally by default this is not supposed to be checked. So if you create the dot file, you're gonna have a hard time trying to locate that file. So what I always like to do is click on the settings and click show hidden files. Okay, so once you click that, hit save, and I can see here's a dot file. So here's what you need to do next. Click on file and type in .user.ini. Okay, so again, .user.ini. Okay, and then here you just leave this alone, don't touch this, and create new file. Okay, so here's the file we just created, and all you're going to do now is click the edit pencil. Okay, and just hit edit. From here, you're going to copy this code. This code will be on the description, so all you're going to do is just simply copy this code and then paste on the line 1, and that's it. So all that, I just pasted it on there and I hit save changes, and that's it. And I already did this. Give me 1 second here. All right, so now if you want to make sure that you did it right, you click on the user and you could just view, and it'll show you that there's the code that you just entered. And honestly, that's it. There's other ways of doing this, and honestly I find those to be a little bit more complicated. They want you to edit the WP config file and whatnot, and honestly that it doesn't work. And also this file is honestly works with all cPanels. I know back in the day it was php5.ini, which was the file you had to create to add this code. However, with the new servers that GoDaddy has, this is the correct name now. So it's .user.ini. Okay, so now let's go back to our website. Notice that it says 32. So everything, the only thing I'm going to do now is just hit refresh. And if I did it right, this is going to change. Okay, so I'm going to hit refresh. And there you go. Here's the limit that we increased to 256. And that's it. Literally, that's all you have to do. Now, if you go back, notice here's a 256. You can change it to something else, something greater. But I normally like to keep these settings because you don't need to be uploading a file that big. For one, it's going to slow down your site. So just keep something under 256 and you should be fine. And that, like I said, that's how simple it is. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you out. And make sure to hit subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more tutorial videos on WordPress and using Godaddy and a few other hosting providers down the line. Since I'm just starting this channel, so I appreciate all the love and support you guys could give me and all that feedback. And thanks for your time.